Remember on Christmas Day when Davido posted Chema, right? Making, serving them food, and Israel was there with that his other friend. Anyways, these pictures, I knew people would come for Chema. Watch this yeah person where they talk. First hear her first, okay? Just watch this video.
I was waiting for this comment so bad, but I'm here to tell you without sentiment, Davido's wife was picked. Davido's wife was a pure pick me sha. Okay, she was not a woman with standards, she was not a woman with boundaries, she was a woman that lacked all of that. And people think being pick me sha is the fact that you want a man to like marry you or whatever. You can be married and still be a pick me sha because you would be disrespected in that marriage. You would see a lot of things, but you would choose to endure and also settle because it's this man that made you. Without Davido, nobody knew Chef Chi. No matter the amount of money my husband will have, I would still want to have my own money because I have a family to take care of. I wouldn't put all the responsibilities on my husband because I think my husband has so much money. Okay, I wouldn't sell my financial freedom to a man. There's a difference between being picked and being chosen. Just because you saw a video of her cooking and Israel was actually telling her you're a good wife, you're doing this, you're doing that. Most of the times it's to compensate you for settling. Like you are the one that chose to settle with this man with all his bad character. So definitely they will praise you, our wife, but are you really our wife? And this is how Davido's wife was picked. Any woman that's able to sell her financial freedom to the hands of a man is a pick-me-sha. That is what a pick-me-sha is. Secondly, she was a woman without boundaries. Davido had to disrespect her over and over again, and she chose silence instead because she's definitely a woman that doesn't want to leave that chair. If it was a self-made woman like me, I would fucking leave. I don't care who the fuck you are. It's not a man that completes me, okay? Marriage is not a do or die affair. Immediately you cross my standards or boundaries, I am leaving you. And if she was self-made before she met Davido, she would definitely have standards, okay? For me, if I was dating Davido and Davido was the kind of man that would cheat on the media, embarrass me, I would fucking leave that relationship. I would not compress my happiness to feel a man's ego. I would not do that. I'd walk away, okay? Except I have decided to love him despite him being flawed. And if I'm going to go back to that relationship, he has to be a man that meets my standards.
You just heard what the wisest girl from her village just sat down and composed in the name of content. Now, let's be sincere. You understand? Maybe I'd like to talk about it day. You get. It's not good to be beating about in any bush. Let me unlight. Okay. Yes. All the women that are saying, oh, Chioma should go. Chioma should leave David. Oh, Chioma should go away. Chioma is a pick me. Chioma is this. She's such a cheap person. She's not a correct girl. You know, a lot of them are Sophia Omodo FC. We understand. And so what do you even expect? What do you expect them to say? You know, this particular narrative has always been like this, even before they got married. There was a time they said, oh, I'm not a pick-me. In fact, Sophia, she did a video, I'm not a pick-me. Oh. One other girl that said, oh, she had one or two things to do. Davido said, oh, Davido told her that girl doesn't want to leave him, blah, blah, blah. I bet all those things are things of the past. Now, see one fine black girl with her teeth where can joke. If you're a northerner, you know what I mean by kanjo. You understand? It's there calling out Chioma, calling out. See the girl say she go for pitch. She cannot be like this. Hey! Now, wow. You see women? My gender can lie, you. That's why I did that video and I said, if you like, be trusting them. Trust them at your own words, at your own peril. Trust them and for your hand. Right? The truth is, even if Chioma says she will not marry Davido, even if today Chioma lives and Davido impregnate 10 or 20 other women, even impregnate even Chioma's sister, if you see the way girls go still marry Davido, it will shock you. Even this particular girl, who was just test her, say she no go agree. Say she no go agree. Now, I'm not saying this to say, okay, maybe Davido is all that, like he's the highest or anything or thereabout. But even if it's not Davido, even if it's Ned Moko, original Daniel's ex-husband, where people they say, he's an old man. What is she even doing with this man that is ugly like this? This man that is old. This man that is a polygamist. My dear, now still won't find babe, now ain't go enter there. Now still won't find girl, now ain't go enter there. And that's why I will keep saying it. If you like, follow them. Trust them. Trust the nonsense and trash. Where these people then they spill from their mouths. I own peril. These people, we don't get level. This will not get level. If you see their boyfriend, all these ones, see their boyfriend like this, you can't imagine when they didn't throw you for social media, you'll be like, and this one, they even they throw me. Now this one, I dey see boyfriend. Like go on a normal hangout, go on a date and see person where they sit down with. You're going to be like, imagine. Now this one, and they even they throw person. No, now this one, I've seen so many of them. Now this one, and they even they throw person. No. See them with their own husband. Now this one, and they throw person. Where Chioma dey good for her body. That is where she is meant to be. And that's why she's there. Where she's loved, where she's cared for, where she's adored, and where she can manage. Some of you cannot cope with men that cheat. Go and look for the ones who know they cheat. They don't get money like that. You understand? Some of you cannot cope with the ones that do all those things. Go find guys then when no go fit. Leave Chioma with her David. The kind of una go still see David for show. Una go dey shout. Una go dey roll for ground. Una go dey faint. Una go dey pour on water. My gender. My gender. See this one. Chioma is nothing without Davido. Have you listened to interviews where Davido keeps saying it? He keeps mentioning it. If Chioma no dey my life, if I even release album now or release a song, no go blow. Several times, no dey talk am. Na my miracle, na my lucky charm. I mean, na luck charm. How they talk that thing? Na she be. He don't open him mouth talk and say, hey, do you know they've broken up several times? They don't break up. David need a fit. Now he they go back, go back. She say no, I don't want to take him. Now they go back, go back. You don't ask him why they go back. Why is it that? Have you noticed? Go to his Instagram and check any post where Chioma dey inside. Oh man. Any post where you say Chioma dey, go check the engagement for that thing and tell me say Chioma no be this thing. Chioma na him everything. If you don't know it. Without Chioma, he is nothing. Do you understand? Without that girl, Chioma, he's nothing. Now me we talk and hear. He's nothing without her. And let me tell you, she started with him when he never even blew. When there's not even, he don't talk. See, he don't talk as in meter. Nobody go talk him. Go and watch interviews before spewing trash. Not everybody be like you. You're talking to a girl that has influence. Girl, when they take, that girl is not even taking adverts. She's not taking jobs to influence anything. That girl is she's not even sitting down to come and do podcasts. She's not even sitting down for interviews. Now who they talk to. Brands will pay any amount for her to influence anything as it be so. Because once she posts that, imagine Chioma wedding. Chioma do that shot, what they call those hair. That her hair, what she do. That her hair. And everywhere in the market, that hair, they sell out. That particular hair. Very simple hair she made for her wedding. They sell out like fire. She's a child of grace. Every time I see that grace, I tap her for my child even. She has grace. And if you know they recognize them, you know they appreciate that kind of grace, you can't have it. Your descendants cannot even have it. Because of what? Because of the kind of heart you have. Because of the kind of human being you are. You are. Right? So let me just put it out here. Now woman, now go see enter there. If Chioma go no be man, they don't need to do man. You know blow bomb. Nah, my pussy in the do. Now still you with your this thing, I go still go there. I beg, I don't want to talk too much. God have mercy on me, I beg.